What happens when you take a family SUV and give it the heart of a muscle car? You get the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat, a 3-row monster with over 700 horsepower and zero chill. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're looking at one of the wildest ways to haul your family, your groceries, and a quarter-mile time that would embarrass most sports cars. Design. From the outside, the 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat looks as aggressive as it sounds. It's got a wide stance, deep air intakes, a vented hood, and just the right amount of muscle car swagger. New for 2026, Dodge has added sleeker LED lighting, updated wheels, and a few subtle aerodynamic tweaks to sharpen up the look, but it still screams performance from every angle. Performance. Let's talk power. Under the hood is the legendary supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8, pushing out 710 horsepower. Yes, it's still here, and no, it hasn't been tamed. The 8-speed automatic transmission delivers brutally quick shifts, and the all-wheel drive system helps put that power down with surprising confidence. 0 to 60? About 3.5 seconds. In an SUV. It's outrageous and glorious. Features and technology. Inside, its performance meets practicality. You get a driver-focused cockpit with sport seats, suede and leather trim, and a massive 12-inch touchscreen running Uconnect. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, adaptive cruise control, launch control, it's all here. There's even room for the kids and cargo in the back, because why not have it all? Conclusion. The 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat isn't subtle, and that's exactly the point. If you want a high-performance SUV that doesn't apologize for being loud, fast, and fun, this might just be your dream daily. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest takes on the wildest rides out there. See you in the next one.